A warm welcome everyone to the online platform of Max Overseas Raje. So today we are going to discuss about your next cue card. Describe an interesting neighbor. Okay, ਤੁਸੀਂ अपने किसी neighbor बारे इस गल करनी है, okay, जो कि interesting है. So now we are going to start our cue card. First of all we will see our cues. Who is she, he. Okay, ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹਨੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਕੌਣ ਹੈ. How you know, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਹੋ. Okay, and ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਬਾਰੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ explain ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ. So we are going to start our cue card from the general line. Neighbors are just like families in the era of nuclear families. न्यूक्लियर फैमिलीज का मतलब हुंदा है रजे कि छोटियां छोटियां फैमिलीज है. ओके, here I would like to shed some light. Like to shed some light. Shed some light का मतलब हुंदा है रजे to highlight something. Okay, here I would like to shed some light on one of our neighbor. His name is Mr. Amrit Singh. Okay, upon बारे दसता. Now we will move to our cues. Who he she is. आप दसता कि he is Mr. Amrit Singh. He is in his late 80s but still looks young. He is an egg-headed person. Egg-headed रजे एक idiom हुंदा है. It means जो person active plus intelligent होवे. Okay, egg-headed person with fair complexion. Fair complexion रजे ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੈ कि ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ complexion fair है, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ रंग गोरा है. Okay, how you knew him and her. Okay, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਜਾਣਦੇ ਹੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਸ ਲਈ ਦੱਸਣਾ. I know him since my childhood. As he lives around the corner of my house. Around the corner ਦਾ मतलब ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਜੀ कि वो मेरे घर ਦੇ नजदीक ही रहंदे ਹਨ. Okay, around the corner is an idiom. He is such an interesting person I have ever seen. ਆਪਾਂ ਰਜੇ ਫਿਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਪਰਸਨੈਲਿਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਹੋਰ ਇਸ ਚ ਇਲੈਬੋਰੇਟ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ. He is retired government teacher in our society. He is very down to earth. Down to earth is an idiom रजे. Down to earth का मतलब होता है kind person. Okay, very down to earth person, as he always offers helping hands. Offering helping hands का मतलब होता है रजे कि जो person लोगों दी help करदा होए. Okay, hands to the needy people. I vividly remember during COVID-19, he provides edibles का मतलब होता है रजे खान पीन दियां चीज़ां. Okay, edibles to the poor people. Okay, moreover, he always helps me in my studies and always tells me the stories of his professional life. He is very health conscious person and we both goes for morning walk daily. ओके सो इस तरह नाल रजे आप उन्हां दी पर्सनैलिटी नू ओके डिस्क्राइब कर सकते हैं विद द यूज ऑफ इट और कट अ लॉन्ग स्टोरी शॉर्ट दैट ही इज वेरी ऑप्टिमिस्टिक पर्सन एंड आई ऑलवेज इंस्पायर फ्रॉम हिम एंड आई कंसीडर हिम एज माई रोल मॉडल. ओके so with that we are going to finish our cue card and now we will move to the follow up question. Our first question is how do people build relationships with local people in a new place. Okay, कि जो लोग है वो किमें relationships build कर सकते हो ਜਦੋਂ ਕਿਸੇ और नवी जगह ते shift ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ. First of all रजे ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਆ they can participate in local events, participate in local events, they can join communities, or they can talk friendly with others, so with that way they can build their relationship with the local people. Okay, so our second question is why do many people in big cities not know their neighbor. Okay, कि जो big metropolitan cities ਹੁੰਦੀਆਂ ਉਹ cities ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੋਕ ਆਪਣੇ neighbors ਨੂੰ ਕਿਉਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਜਾਣਦੇ. People are busy in their own life people are busy in their own life and work schedules. Okay, so they don't have time for socializing. Second thing ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ in big cities people are living in the high rise apartments, so it will create a physical distance from their neighbors. Third question is how can children build relationship with others in a community? Children किमें relationship रजे अपने build कर सकते हैं community च? Okay, first of all ਆਪਾਂ कह सकते हैं कि they can play together. Okay, they can play with other children, or they can participate in a school events, so they can join local communities, or they can talk friendly with others. So with that ways they can easily build their relationship with the other peoples. Okay, so रजे ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ अपना क्यू कार्ड है जो खत्म हो गया है. होप ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਸਮਝ ਆ ਗਈ ਹੋਏਗੀ. So thank you so much.